It's a gloomy Saturday, yet here we are, all geared up and ready to ride. Medyo maulan ngayon, maulap. Buti na lang, hindi tumama sa atin yung Super Typhoon Inday. Pero, eto, rides pa din. It's my first time joining adventure bike group rides. Small CCs, I've joined a few. Pero hindi ko talaga preferred yung group rides eh. I don't know, it's a personal choice. Siguro dahil nahihiya akong mag-aantay sila sa akin. Same with, lalo na dito sa big bikes, no? So it's really my first time. May mga nagyaya sa akin before when I got the big bike na mag-rides kami, no? Kaya lang I would always say no kasi yun nga, I'm not that confident yet with my skills sa riding. Kaya lang yun, yung Friday night, sabi ng barkada ko, mag-rides daw kami, no? Kasama yung mga tropa niya. So, biglaan lang siya. And I don't know, I said yes. Buti na lang I said yes. Ang dami kong natutunan. Daming valuable lessons from the group. One of the most unforgettable lessons I've learned is that I have to be comfortable and confident riding my bike. I need to know kung ano yung mga weaknesses ng bike ko, kung ano yung mga strengths ng bike ko. I need to feel it. So yeah, I'm really happy and blessed joining this group. Yan, di din naman ako iniwan. They patiently waited. Sabi nga nila, lahat naman nagsisimula sa walang alam, no? Until such time that you master those skills by experience and of course, no, sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Anyway, this is a 360 loop, no, around Mount Isa Road. Umalis kami sa Naga around siguro mag-10 AM na because nga umuulan. And then yun, from Naga we went to Pili, Ocampo, Goa, Tigaon, and then we went straight dun sa Teas Altas. I don't know if it's part of Sangay, I'm not sure, or Lagunoy, I'm not sure. So yun, doon kami nag-lunch, and then after lunch bumaba ulit kami sa Goa, traversing yung Goa Tinambak Road. And from there, so yun nga, lumabas kami sa Tinambak, pabalik na ng Naga. So it's a loop, a 360 loop that we did. And yes, I'm a Bicolano, I'm Oragon, but I was born and raised in Sorsogon. Not really familiar with the towns here in Camarines Sur, but I've been here for quite some time already. Sa Camsur siguro mga 14 years. Kaya lang yun, hindi kasi ako gala eh. Ngayon lang nagsimula gumala and enjoy the beauty of Camsur. And yun, buti na lang I have this bike, so I can really explore Camsur's beauty. Itong kalsadang dinadaanan ko ngayon is part of the Goa Tinambak Road. When we reach Tinambak, bababa kami ng Calabanga, and sunod ay Bonbon if I'm not mistaken, and Magarao and Canaman before we reach Naga City. Sabi sa Google Maps, approximately 158 to 160 kilometers yung loop around Mount Isa Road. That's about approximately 4 hours daw na rides. Pero sa rides na to, hindi kami masyado nagmamadali, hindi kami masyado time conscious. We're just enjoying the scenic views around, and enjoying our motorcycles. Kaya masaya. By the way, before I forget, baka makalimutan ko lang sabihin, maganda yung kalsadang dinaanan namin. Itong 360 loop, Isarog loop. Hindi siya malubak or whatsoever. It's a paved way going around the Mount Isarog. At this point, we've reached Calabanga, yung bayan ng Calabanga, and we came across this view deck wherein yun, makikita mo yung dagat, mga small islands across. Siyempre, ito muna, pahinga. Isa to sa mga gusto ko pag nagmamotor yung mga stopovers at again, breathtaking views na makikita mo sa daan. After ng pahinga at of course picture uwi na ng Naga, and thank God we've reached our destination and our homes safe. Hanggang sa susunod na rides ulit. Bye!